Now I'm trying to training about the full mouth cases, how to wax up design. This is preparations. This is we put the dye hardener, and this is a grace point, which is a temporization, which is old crown. Here's a cross white. So whenever we match this, has a bite issue, meaning slightly bubble was there, so I trim it. So have them remounting, just like this is a guide which doctor sent me the old crown. So whenever I articulate it, exactly same. I like this. So here's my point. Here's half teeth there. This half teeth is there. You see? Okay. So whenever I'm mounting, they mounting was like that. I don't want that. So I have them be mounting some more close. So which is we did it, and then we made it articulation. This is great. Now their question is how can we build? Like I said, number 8 and 9. If it is sticking out, so you have to add with that much sticking out. Same concept. You have to add it. Let's make out just like that. So whenever I drawing the picture, side view, sorry. Okay, so this is final. Alright, and this is the lower teeth. Currently wax designs like this. Right, so think about it. Whenever you see this, almost edge to edge, but class 1. So what I'm going to do, so this is a little bit, this is, I think it's good. Right, so whenever you make this, you have to add more just like that other side, and a little bit longer. So balance, the same thing. So when you mount it, this is what I like. So now here's more distal area. Now second, most important thing is size. So if we make the central is too big, you don't have any room for lateral. So the central is a little bit big, which is frame like that. I have to cut it. So you have to cut it a little bit, trying to diminish it. But think about it, when you build, this is already large. So same thing, cut it distal area a little bit. So make same side, and then make lateral is a little bit larger. We call golden proportion. Okay, so let's check it out. This, so I'll show you a little bit better. Now it's much better, you can see, right? Alright, this is, you cannot do much about it. But remember, this crossbite. So think about the lateral. So what are you going to do? Like I said, occlusion view. I need the same alignment you have sticking out. More out. Too low profile. You have to make a little bit thicker. See? So almost there. Does it make sense to you? Then we support matter, semi-precious matter. Canine was okay, so same thing, alignment. You see it out? That's good. Out. It's a little bit more out. Because I have to make same alignment. Just like distal of the number 8. That's good. Canine was not bad. Not bad. Premolar, you can add with step down, but it's okay. But just add a little bit this. Good. Now remember, we're not going to make this much, so this is final will be. This is final. Make little extended, just a little bit. And then good. Now you see, here's a partial.
Danger, yeah.
Yeah, partial, which is
Partial danger.
I don't want to make the touching here except lingual cusp because it's too low. If you add that much and this is longer and shorter, which is this old crown did it, we had a lot of interference that can get failed. Make sense? So my final, if I porcelain build up, this is probably open every area. So this is my line. No contact, no contact. You cannot get it. They need a new partial. Otherwise, you can get an interference when patients move to protrusion, and you get a lot of trouble problem. Protrusions, a lot of problem over there. Okay. Same thing here is too low compared to premolar. They need a new partial. So you just follow the occlusion scheme. Canine is good, premolar is good, that's good. But only thing is vocal corridor to under.
Lower out.
Correct. This is the,
Yeah.
they don't know what they're built. This is keyway attachment, this is to under. So you have to give cheek support. So what I do, and then you have to add a little bit more facially, but alignment together, right?
Yes.
Okay. And also this is my final porcelain. So when you draw, then you see. Alright? So here's a really under. So when Mike and Ed talk about the doctor, why is not contact, it's rather to do lower partial is much cheaper. $300 is much cheaper. But this one is very expensive upper. Do not ruin this. This is a porcelain fused metal, so this is too high, you have to cut it. Because it will be open, maybe. That's my recommendation for this patient. You see the old partial. The old partial is not working well. I won't get good function. I don't mind to add it, but you get all ruiny, so you could grinding more down.
Make the bones do that motion table.
Exactly.
Is
So
it a new flipper?
new flipper and new partial and the vocal corridor, that's good. And then this is fake crown, right? So this is overbuild, probably preparation. That's the relay with this. But my point is, whenever you do full mouse, you gotta be right, because they paid quite a bit. So you have to change it. Maybe I don't think I have a room for grinding here. This is erupted already. Tooth is erupted. So I don't have to make perfect contact over there. Slightly open will be okay, but we have to restore all those things. Partial is much cheaper. Yeah. So you make a little bit cusp down there too.
Go ahead.
Yeah, cusp. I need a cusp. Yeah. So this is really high, so you have to grinding, right?
Yeah. Remove the.
You don't need a lot of metal here. Don't charge the doctor. They're not going to like it. There's a lot of metals. Lots.
We're gonna bring out.
Correct. So all the domino effect, you cannot make the higher.
Okay.
Yep.
Follow the curve of speed and just.
Wilson from lower, but lower is ruin.
Right.
Yeah. There's no curve of speed in Wilson upper. Only lower. But lower don't have any curve of speed in Wilson. But we have to make this one in the future for curve of speed and Wilson, and then follow the maxilla full mouse case. That's the design.
Yeah.
So now number one is the midline. You put this. Good. And size is good. So like I said, 2 weeks, decrease it. Here's the increase it, because you have to make the golden proportion. This and this. I don't want to be too big. Natural, yes. Natural, you have a humongous central. Lateral, small. But this is cosmetic. So you have to make the distal, bring it in, add it here. Make the same contour. Here's your final line.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it out.
Here's tissue. The final, so you have to bring down a little bit more. Right? Okay. Same thing. Once you set up 8 and 9, same. 7 and 10, same. 6. This is too high, down. So it will be no contact. But why? Because we have to make the lower restored. This is laboratory have to do it to the dentist. If dentists don't listen, do not work with the dentist. Why? I restored best restoration. That's it. Otherwise, doctor patient denied it. you cannot do much about it.
Right.
They have them in other laboratory, right? So this is U shape is good, like that. I want a little bit more here. I don't like to step down, so you have to make the same level, but I want to make U shape. Then I can make the nice groove for this. Make sense? Occlusion area, yeah. So that's occlusion kind. Now, when you cut it too much, I don't mind you add linger area, make a little thick. Eventually, we can make slightly metal color. Metal color will be protect porcelain.
Mm-hmm.
But the facial, you cut it. I like this. All right. So once you set up this, now you stick with this. Same level. Same level. Just like that. Same thing. So once you stick with this, it's too high here. Little bit high. This. Good. Too high. So cut it. And then this is the same level. That's good. Make a little bit bulk out. This is key. I don't want too much out, but same cheek support. Good. Okay.
Nice.